Welcome to part 5 of the pVACview demonstration. In this video, we discuss advanced options and how to export evaluated candidates. We have some advanced options to allow users to update the tiering of each candidate to their specific needs. The first thing that the users are able to change are the anchor locations of the peptide MHC complexes. By default, anchor locations are calculated as 1, 2, n to the minus 1, and n for any n-mer peptide. Users can choose to utilize a set of computationally predicted allele-specific anchor locations to replace the default setting. For more details, please refer to the pVACview documentation and the linked manuscript. The second thing users may want to adjust is the VAF cutoff for determining clonal versus subclonal variants. By default, this value is set to half of the maximum DNA VAF under 0.6. However, users often want to adjust this cutoff accordingly to things such as the VAF of driver mutations observed. Lastly, allele expression cutoffs are used to determine tiers such as passing and relaxed variants. It is also one of the criteria for subclonal and anchor variants. Hence, we also provide users with the option of changing the default values according to their specific sample. Once the user completes their analysis of the variant candidate, they can label it by changing the status of the peptide to accept, reject, or review, such as in a case where a variant should be reviewed in IGV. All evaluations are updated in the peptide evaluation overview box below to help users keep count. Users may also add additional comments for the variant that they are investigating. As an example, the variant that we were just looking at has multiple strong binding peptides across multiple HLA alleles, and has good expression on the transcript level as well. No major concerns and would be recommended for things such as a downstream vaccine design. These comments are then saved and will show up in the exported files if you choose to do so. Once users are happy with their evaluation and annotations, they can move to the Export tab. First, users should change the export file name as needed and then double-check the comments and evaluations that you have made. We offer two files types for downloading, TSV and Excel. If the user has not finished their neoantigen analysis, simply download the TSV file to store the comments and annotations, and you may re-upload the downloaded TSV file as your main aggregate report file upon re-entering the application at a later time. Note that pVACview does not save any of your data once it reloads. Hence, saving through this method is critical for maintaining your evaluations. For a summary of this information, please see the Tutorials tab. For further documentation, please refer to the pVAC Tools GitHub page and the Read the Docs website.